This here is the Tesla phone charger. I was able to finally get one. It's been sold out every time I was looking for it. And lately I just got an email from Tesla that it's back in stock. I quickly went, ordered it, and then right away it's out of stock once again. This is the white color. Let's take a look at this. It has a very nice packaging. It's got Tesla right here at the front. There's the left side, the bottom, the right, and then the top. In the back, wireless phone charger 2.0, white quantity 1, and it should just open up like this. There we go. There's the top cover. This is supposed to match to the color of your vehicle, which is really cool. So here it is, the pearl white. Looks exactly like my Model X paint. Put that aside. And here shows us how it works. So quick start guide, power status, press power button quickly to check the remaining capacity, charging your device. So you have a wireless charging option to charge a device or wired charging. And then you also have a charging method for the charger. So you can have this on your wireless charger and you can charge this phone charger with the wireless charger because it has a charging option here at the bottom. So you can charge this battery pack wirelessly as well. Rubber over here as well as here so it doesn't slide around. At the bottom we have the quick press to see the charge, so we have only one bar right there. This side is a USB port and this cable goes around all the way to this side, and then this side is a USB-C port. It also has a wireless charger here at the top. I'm gonna press and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. This should activate the wireless charging, and then we'll put this device here. Let's see. There we go. So now it's wirelessly charging the AirPods Pros. I also have the red multi-coat here. This is to match with our Model Y Performance. Even though this is only 1 day old, the red one here, it does have quite a bit of scratches already right there. This white one here, I think, is not going to show much of the scratches easily because white is pretty good for hiding scratches. I have charged this to full right there using the USB-C port and a 20-watt Apple power adapter. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery, so it should last quite a bit to charge an iPhone and stuff. So we can just put this right there on the wireless charger and it should start wirelessly charging this phone charger. Let's press this and then hold for 3 seconds. Let's see if we can charge. Yep, so we're charging the Tesla phone charger with the phone charger. Now let's go and take a look at this color differences next to the vehicles. I'm not sure how easy it's going to be to show you guys the color differences since it is snowing and the cars are a bit dirty. Here we have the red multi-coat Model Y and there's the battery pack next to it. And if I have it like this, I think that looks exactly the same color. I mean, look at that. It is very, very nice. There it is. And of course, the car is like that. That's kind of what it looks like. Let's try it out here, for example. If I put it, looks very nice. Seems like it matches the color for sure. Let's try out the white one. Got the Model X in pearl white. You can see some of the pearls right there as well as here. So if I put it on top of the car, that's what it looks like. I'd say it matches. I don't know if this looks a little bit darker or is it the light is closer to it. Let's try to put it here real quick. Look at it from this angle. The car does have the Defense Plus paint protection film on it, so that could make it look a bit different, but it seems like the paint itself is a little bit darker, or it might be dirty. So let's put it here, for example, and that's kind of what it looks like. Let me know, guys, if it seems to be a perfect match. It is very, very close. Definitely very close. Put it up here at the door. That's what it looks like. And it's really cool that this has wireless charging itself. So like you can put it here at the wireless charger on the Model X, for example, and it's gonna start charging. We can put the white one here. So you can wirelessly charge the phone charger using your car, so you don't have to plug anything to charge this itself. Since this is a wireless charger, I can just push and hold for 3 seconds again, like this. And now it's ready to wireless charge. So we can charge the phone charger with the phone charger. And let's see if I put it here. Will it charge the phone charger and then charge the phone charger using the phone charger? So when I hold this for 3 seconds and then put the phone on top of it, it started to wirelessly charge the phone. But as soon as I put it up on this wireless charging pad, it stopped charging the phone. So I don't think you can do this, for example. But nonetheless, it's really cool that it has a wireless charger built in to charge the phone charger itself, and then you can also charge wirelessly something else when this has power on the go. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and look at the phone charger from Tesla. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one.